In the United States, a court has found Joaquin Guzman guilty of drug trafficking and related charges. Guzman, also known as El Chapo, now faces the possibility of spending the rest of his life in prison. In India, officials say 17 people are confirmed dead after a hotel fire in New Delhi. In Haiti, at least 4 people are dead and many others injured during unrest in the capital, Port-au-Prince. Protesters are calling on President Jovenel Moïse to resign. And Macedonia raises a NATO flag in its capital after becoming the 30th full voting member of the military alliance.